Hey everybody, GT here from GT's Barbecue. Hey, a new member of the family arrived yesterday. Gonna go ahead and get this thing unboxed. I have my new Blackstone air fryer griddle combo, and gonna go ahead and get this thing out. It's too heavy to carry, and I don't have a dolly. So I got my friend Lewis here from R Shack Barbecue and other things. It's going to give me a hand. We're just going to unbox this, take the pieces out, cart them into the backyard, and we'll assemble it back there. So stay tuned. I'll be right back here in a minute, and we'll start getting this thing out.
Wow, that's a big one.
That's what she said.
You know how to handle something that big?
Yes, sir. Okay, so we got the parts carried out here. Lewis had some errands to run. He just popped in to say hello, and I put him to work and made him help me carry the heavy stuff out.
Even offer me a beer.
I did not. You want a beer?
No, I'm working, so I can't, unfortunately.
So
After we're done shooting.
I'm not going to make you watch all of this. You know, I'm going to fast forward, high-speed dub, everything, so we'll zip through it. But I'm going to fiddle around here in a little bit, get this thing put together, get it set up, and I'll probably just do the setup and a walk around at first, and then tomorrow I'll shoot a seasoning and first cook video. So stay tuned. I'm really looking forward to this, so we'll see you here in a little bit.
Hey, Gary, welcome to the Blackstoners.
Yeah, buddy. Welcome to the Blackstone family.
That is pretty. That is...
Okay, it looks like that's about all there is to it. I do have to say, I only needed 2 tools, Phillips head and a crescent wrench, and I only used the crescent wrench once. Basically, I like the fact that it has a cover, so when you shut it down at night, and then I'll purchase a cover for it. I'm probably going to take this off when I season this the first time, because I want to make sure I get seasoning on the outside and all the way around this griddle. So that'll be another video. Let's see. Shelves are nice. This is an upgrade or a new version of the shelves. They used to not fold down, so this is really handy if you want to put a cover on it. Got little hooks on here. On this side, oh, it does have 4 nice locking wheels. On this side, you have a nice magnetic knife holder. Shelves are good and solid. Got little hangers on the end of them. And the air fryer baskets. So these are interchangeable. You fill them, put the little racks in. These 2 are air fryers. This one is a warming tray. So if you have pancakes or something and you want, or bacon, and you want to put it in here and just keep it warm, or buns, that's what that's for. And they are interchangeable. And then they go in the dishwasher. There's a couple of little nuts you take off, pop the front off, and then these baskets go right in the dishwasher. They're nice and stout, stainless steel. This is the controller for the air fryer. It has a high, medium, and low setting. This does run on electricity to run the fan that blows the air. On-off switch here. Each individual burner does have its own igniter, which is nice. And over here is the power cord for the air fryer. And then this is the drain trap on the back. It just hangs in here, just like so. Everything runs out the back. So it's pretty easy. Rolls around really well. Putting it together was a snap. I guess it took, I don't know, about 1 hour and 20 minutes by myself. So pretty straightforward. The instructions were easy to follow. So there you go. The Blackstone air fryer griddle combo. I'm going to get this thing seasoned up probably later tonight. I'll shoot a video on that, and then we'll do a first cook. So thanks for watching. If you're so inclined, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.